Hello, kids! Today, we are drawing a rainbow parrot. Let's draw together. Wow! First, we draw a strong curved beak. Now, we draw a big round head. Our parrot has 3 colorful feathers on top of its head. We are drawing one big shiny eye with a little white dot. Now, we draw the open wing with long feathers. Did you know? Rainbow parrots live in warm rainforests in Australia and nearby islands. They eat fruits, seeds, and sweet nectar from flowers. Parrots are super smart. They can learn words and copy sounds. So cute drawing. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we draw 2 cute feet with tiny claws. Wow! 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 Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Let's coloring. Well done! Give yourself a big, big hug. Look at your drawing, little artists.
Now I know
forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.